Welcome to IPCS Global. Today you learn single LED control with 2 push buttons using Arduino IDE software. First you open the Arduino IDE, then click the tools, scroll down, so select the board. Your board name is Arduino Uno. Then you define the pin number first. So LED, then pin number, then button. Then next button. Then first you say the LED input or output. So your LED is output. So first mention the LED. So pin mode, LED is output. Then the next one, button. So button is input. Then next button. Button 2, input. It is a final stage. Button 1 is pressed, the LED will be on. Then button 2 is pressed, the LED will be off. So you mention the code button 1. So you write if digital read, mention the first button. So button 1 equal to 1. So LED is on. So digital write, you mention the LED name, then high. Then next button. So else if digital read. So mention the second button. So button 2 equal to 1. So digital write, LED will be on.
Once completed the code, first you will save the program, then click the sketch, then click the export compiled by net. Thank you for watching this video. I think this section is very useful for you. Do you have any more doubt? Please contact IPCS Global.